So right now, I don't have anything in here. I've deleted the apps that I've created because we're going to be creating them here during the workshop. So the biggest thing is tool settings to get started. So if you could open that up, open up Dictionary App Builder. It comes up to code libraries. And the first thing it's asking about is JDK location. So you installed Amazon Corretto, which is, if you've ever heard of the programming language Java, Amazon Corretto is a bundle of Java that allows your computer to run Java code. The app is written in Java, so you had to get that running before you could even run Dictionary App Builder. The other half is the Android SDK. So JDK is Java Development Kit, I guess. And SDK is a service development kit. So the Android SDK is actually telling your computer everything it needs to know about Android to be able to develop an app. That information is always changing because there are always new versions of Android coming out. What's important here is that you have browsed here and pointed that to the SDK folder, and if everything is green here, great. If only the tools is green, that means that you've copied the tools as in the instructions correctly into the folder. And if you could just click install packages, and then it will download the build tools and platform API. It used to be that you had to install everything into the folder all manually. Now the only one you have to install manually is tools, and if you're connected to the internet, it can find everything else. If everything is green, there's nothing to do, you're already set. If there's anything red or not found, that's where it's a problem. But if you want to, you can go ahead and hit the install button, the install packages button. I'll show that. Here we go. And it should go out to the internet and find the new copy. Okay, so it's going out right now to the internet while I'm connected here and trying some things, but I'm going to cancel that because I know it's already working on my machine.